Hello, my friends. This is not the most pleasant video for all of investors. I have to admit that the bear market has officially started. And in today's video, I will show you what I'm talking about. I will show you the potential price targets for the upcoming week and weeks and months. And first of all, guys, I want to show you some testimonials and I want to explain you why it is important to understand the market sentiment right now. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm in trading for more than 13 years, and I just recently I started to be very active on Patreon account. And here are some of the testimonials from my students. One of my students closed his 3x leverage on Amazon and on QQQ, and it happened on March 25th. It was a long position, and he gained a lot of money. I definitely wrote him awesome, congrats. Next one, another of my students wrote this. Hi Andre, I have 20 put contracts in PLTR at $90 strike price that expires April the 4th. Do you think it would be wise to close this out today? It is currently $6,000 in profit. And I answered him that he should take some of his profits from the table and leave a part of it to wait for the expiration date. Next one is right here. Just on April the 3rd, one of my students wrote this. Good morning, guys. Andre, I can see the market went down as you predicted. Nice job. I'm short on S&P 500. Could you check how deep it can go according to Fibon retracement, please? And I wrote him, the next price target is its previous swing low of September 2024 at roughly $5,400. Guys, and we hit this price target within the next 24 hours. On top of that, for now, I am waiting for the permission to disclose basically the conversation that happened just several hours ago. Literally just 2 hours ago, one of my students told me that he gained 6 figures in one of his trades because of the knowledge that he received in my group. And guys, literally 10 minutes ago, I received this confirmation. Let me quote you this conversation. So I wrote, glad for your WTI position, and my student answered, I'm short 30,000 sell options at $68. Awesome, more than $150,000 with one trade. I wrote him, I'm very glad if my technical analysis and experience helped you even just a little bit. And he wrote, more than a little. I improved my skills massive in this short period. And guys, you can see that it is a real gem when you can use someone's experience in your favor and make this substantial, I would say huge gains. That is why, guys, at the end of this video, I will show you how you can benefit out of this entire saga. But for now, let's start with this price action. We are on S&P 500 ETF index, and guys, the most recent week is very harsh, especially today's overnight session is extremely terrifying. And take a look, by the way, right here. This is the post that I made on April the 3rd, where I explained to my patrons that we are about to see on some ticker symbols that the bear market has started. And for now, guys, we have the second confirmation of this bear market. So, first of all, let me zoom out to a weekly time frame, and let me show you that on a bigger scale. Let's switch to even monthly time frame. On a bigger scale, we have completed pretty much the entire structure to the upside. We've completed all 5 waves, and we have several extensions in the 5th wave of this super cycle. Let's focus on the most recent price action, and from this bottom. From the bottom that was established in October, at the very beginning of October of 2022, we had movement to the upside that completed the 3rd wave. And here is the bottom of the 4th wave. And this is, for now, we have confirmed that this is the top of the entire cycle, super cycle and mega cycle for this asset. And we've just started this movement to the downside that pretty much confirms its I would say long-term downtrend. Why it is happening right now, guys, and why we can do it basically not earlier, but we can confirm it right after April the 3rd. This was the bottom of the internal third wave, as you can see right here. And in my Patreon account, in my Discord group, I told to my patrons that potentially we still had an opportunity to see the bottom of our fourth wave right here, and the top of our fifth wave might be even higher. And as long as this pivot holds, we can assume that this breakdown is still viable. But when the asset, when SPY broke its bottom of this wave, we cannot have the retracement of the fourth wave that is lower than the initial third wave. This means, guys, officially, this was the confirmation on the smaller scale, from the scale, let's say, from the very beginning of August of 2024. We have confirmed the first, let's say, medium-term downtrend. And for now, guys, we broke this bottom, the bottom of the entire fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale. This means, guys, I would say that we have a confirmation of the long-term downtrend for the entire market, I guess for the next several years. And definitely, I prefer to do one step at a time. I don't want to tell you that from this point we will go straight to the downside. I have to say that we are at extremely oversold conditions in the majority of time frames. We have extremely harsh movement to the downside. And by the way, take a look right here. Official bear market begins when the market loses 20% of its value. And guys, from this top, from the end of February, we've lost, take a look right here, more than 20% on a pre-market trading session. And this means, guys, officially the bear market has started. And if you want to be profitable in these quite harsh times, you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. But what is more importantly, please watch this video till the very end, and I will show you how you can benefit even more from my experience. Guys, you can see that the market for now is deeply in red, and these conditions I think might be even worse than the conditions of the COVID times. And because of this, I added a new tier that is Safe Haven tier. For $50 a month, you will have a detailed plan to mitigate the effects of market sell-offs on your portfolio. On top of that, you will have monthly 30 minutes one-on-one Zoom call sessions with me focused on portfolio rebalancing. And guys, all the perks from the Discord access will also be available for you. On top of that, if you want to know even more about technical analysis, Gold tier is for you, where you will have weekly one-on-one training session with me, and we will discuss trading strategies, analyze your portfolios, and you will have a chance to ask me anything about the market conditions. And here is one of the most recent updates in Discord group. You can see that Alexei wrote this on April the 3rd. Good morning, guys. Andrei, I can see the market went down as you predicted. Nice job. I'm short on SPY, S&P 500. Could you check how deep it can go according to Fibonacci, please? And here is my answer. The next price target is its previous swing low that was established on September of 2024 at roughly $5,400. Guys, and we hit this price target within next 24 hours. On top of that, you will have a lot of technical analysis on demand. I do it pretty much every other day. And the set of tutorials that I also publish basically on a weekly basis. That is why, guys, it is a very good chance for you to upgrade your skills in technical analysis. That is why, guys, if your portfolio is in red for more than $50, definitely this is the chance to mitigate your losses or even to be consistently profitable. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!